Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video on GBP USD, then hopefully you can still recognize these lines. And as expected, GBP USD did go up, move up, and right now you can see that it is facing some kind of resistance in this particular price level. Anyways, if you're still thinking or wondering what is going on in the chart of GBP USD, do not worry, I'll be explaining them one by one so that you can get a clear picture of what is going on in the chart of GBP USD, and we'll be jumping to the strategy part after that. Clear? Okay. So first and foremost, if we look at the overall chart of GBP USD, then we can easily see that this market is in downtrend, and as we all know, following the trend is very important, because the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is an uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is a downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can clearly see that GBP USD is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And if I zoom in, okay, and if I zoom in and just focus on this particular portion of the chart or the present chart, then also I get the same. The market is in downtrend, therefore overall chart is also in downtrend, and the present chart is also in the downtrend, so which clearly signifies that sellers are dominating this market. This is a seller's market, not a buyer's market. But right now you can see that after taking support at this particular level, market is going up. And in my previous videos also, I clearly mentioned that there is a good buying opportunity here, and many of you have also already made quite a good profit from the previous analysis. But right now there is no buy call. Okay, there is no buy position in GBP USD chart. Things have changed. Okay, first and foremost, okay, first and foremost the first trading opportunity on the GBP USD chart is this trend line, and I have been talking about this trend line for quite some time, for about a month I guess. Okay, more than 1 month I have been talking about this trend line, and you can clearly see on the chart that for quite some time, for a couple of months, this trend line is acting as a very strong resistance for the market. Or in simple words, whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing selling pressure from above, and you can clearly see that this trend line is a valid resistance for the market, and still the validity is there, and therefore, okay, therefore you must draw this trend line on your charting platform as well. So in the future also, I am not saying that today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in the future also, whenever market will be going up and hitting this trend line, there is an opportunity that possibility market will be reversing. Whenever market will reverse from this trend line, at least you will get good opportunity to make money from GBP USD. Therefore this trend line is very essential, and it deserves a position in your charting pattern. So my dear friends, please draw this trend line. So apart from this resistance, we have another support here on the chart, and that is 1.3600. When market was facing severe selling pressure, this was the level that provided support to the market, and therefore we can hope that in case there is a sudden selling pressure on GBP USD chart in the coming days, then 1.3600 will be acting as a support to the market, or will provide the required support to the market. So this trend line is the resistance, and this horizontal line is the support for the market. Clear? Okay. So apart from these two levels, we have another important level on the chart of GBP USD, and that is 1.3775. 1.3775 is important for the market because this is a level that belongs to the weekly chart. As we all know, weekly chart is a time frame of the big players, the institutional traders. I was about to say horizontal traders. because the big players mainly or usually they trade in higher time frames. Therefore, the support and resistance level from the higher time frames are very very important, and you can easily see that this level, okay, this level was acting as a support for the market. And as we all know, whenever market goes down, the previous support becomes the resistance, and you can see that the same level is acting as a resistance for the market. Support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. And right now, the level which was providing support to the market for the last 3-4 months will be acting as a resistance for the market. Therefore, we have a new resistance on the market, and that is 1.3775. Therefore, you also need to mark this level, because from now onwards this level will be acting as a resistance for the market. And right now we can clearly see that it is already acting as a resistance. Okay, therefore this is the resistance 1 and this trend line is the resistance 2. Okay, so right now market is near the resistance 1. Therefore we will mainly be discussing what should be our strategy at this particular point of time. And you have already understood that you need to short term market in case market goes up and reverses from this trend line, isn't it? And if we go to the forex sentiment meter here, this is the forex sentiment meter, and you will find the forex sentiment meter on my website avinash.hazarika.com under forex 101 section. So in the forex sentiment meter you can see that 61% retail traders have taken short position and 38% retail traders have taken long position. So it means that 61% retail traders are thinking that market will be going down, whereas only 38% are thinking that market will be going up. Generally we see that 90% retail traders lose money, and personally I also prefer to take trades against the sentiment meter. But right now it looks like that market is in a good position to short only. Okay, so and one more thing my dear friends, I have recently launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, where I bring the best trading opportunities in front of you. If you are interested, just go to the Pro Trader webpage here. I have a different page here. Okay, you will find all the necessary information here. Okay, and if you are interested in learning, if you are a beginner, if you are thinking that you need to learn, and if you are interested in learning from me, then you can just go to the workshop page here. You will find all the necessary information. If you are interested in learning from me, I'll be teaching you everything. Anyways, let's get back to the chart here. So the strategy is simple. As you can see right now, market is just standing at a resistance here. Okay, so there is a good possibility that market will be going down from here, because market is struggling at this resistance, and you can short the market. But as I always say, follow proper risk management. It means that do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because as we all know, traders like you, traders like me, we do not decide the direction of the market. It is the big players, they decide the direction of the market. And therefore, being a small time traders, it is our duty to protect our capital, and we can only protect our capital by following proper risk management. So short term market here, your stop loss will be just above this red line. Okay, just above this red line your stop loss will be there. And if you look at the chart of DXY here, and as we all know, it has a direct correlation with the GBP USD. Whenever USD goes up, GBP British pound goes down, and when dollar goes down, British pound goes up. And right now you can see that GBP is quite bullish, sorry, USD is quite bullish here, and right now standing as support. So there is a good possibility that US dollar will be bouncing. So in case it goes up from here, definitely GBP will also go down and you can make money from it. So my dear friends, you can short the market with proper risk management. Risk only 2 to 3% of your trading capital, and after taking a position, keep your eyes on the chart of DXY as well. In case there is a sudden selling pressure, listen to me carefully. In case there is a sudden selling pressure on US dollar chart, DXY chart, then you also need to exit from the GBP USD trade, because if dollar goes down, GBP will go up. Keep in mind. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again.